Hi guys, welcome to our channel. It's me again, your Kuya Pinoy, and this is my daughter,
Chloe.
And we're gonna unbox. What's that?
Party Pop Teenies.
Party Pop Teenies. Yeah, we got this at Landers. Kita ba?
There.
Can you see it?
There. Yeah, they can see it.
Dapat di ba may ganun? Ganun ba?
Now.
You do it. Can you do it?
No.
Oh, sige, i-unbox it.
So you can see that white line. Just, I think, pull it like an LOL. Wait.
You show it to them first, the white line. Show it to the camera.
You can see that white line.
You can start from there.
Wait. Is it taped on?
No.
I don't know where to start.
It's arrow down eh, so maybe it's gonna start from here.
Yeah, it's gonna start from there. Help, my nails aren't long. Ang gagawa na naman tayo.
It's quite hard. Ayan.
Yeah, thanks. Yeah. I think we remove this first before that.
Oo. Sige, go ahead. Dapat you pull it down kasi may arrow down eh, else you're gonna do it forever.
Oh, okay, it's attached. I don't know. My nails
I'm gonna
aren't
start
long.
the crack again. Yeah.
It's so hard.
Ayan, oh.
There.
Do it down. Pull it downwards.
Oh.
Downwards. Downwards.
Yeah.
Ayun!
There.
Oh, there.
Finally.
Ano sabi? Number 1. Ano nakasulat sa number 1?
It says.
Show the camera first.
Wait.
The
Which is
instruction.
number 1? This number 1.
Number 2 yun eh. Ayun, number 1. Oh, sige. You read it aloud na lang.
Okay. Do not remove the top.
Ano? Do not remove.
The top.
Oo, the top portion daw. This one. Do not
Yeah.
remove this daw. Tapos, number 2.
Number 2.
Meron daw sa ilalim. Nasaan? Ito, this one.
Oh, okay.
Diba? Tapos number 3, it's gonna pop daw. You twist it daw. Twist.
And
After
then
you
pop.
twist, it's gonna pop up. Tapos number 4, may mahuhulog daw sa ilalim.
Oh, there's.
Ano yan? Clothes?
I don't know.
Tapos number 5, you twist it again as a key. Tapos number 6, gonna open something.
Okay.
Oh,
Oh,
you do
okay.
it.
Wait, where was that? Okay.
Hirap naman. It's not kid-friendly. If it's going to be a little kid, he or she cannot do it alone, no?
Yeah, it's gonna have to.
It's gonna need the help from an adult. Diba?
Yeah, it's gonna take me a long time to do this.
It's okay, take your time. We're not in a
75
hurry.
years later.
75 years later.
I can copy that voice. 75 more years later. I'm still in the half of it. Oh, there you go.
Ala, ba't inalis mo?
Oh!
You're supposed to pull it, ano?
Oh!
Oh, ayan. Oh, ayan
Here.
naman pala eh. Ayan, tas ayan oh, merong arrow. Sabi nga,
Twist.
pull. Pakita mo sa camera.
Pull tire?
Oh, pull tire. Pakita mo. Yung
It's
pull.
over here.
Ayan, over there. So, we're gonna start pulling. Go.
Wait.
Hirap-hirap naman yan.
Oh my. This is not.
Aray ko, hirap. Mahirap siya. Aray ko.
Ow.
It's hard to peel it off.
Let me try.
Ito na, okay na.
Oh, sorry.
Teka lang, kasi baka mapunit. Ayan na nga, napunit na.
I don't know why there's a lot of peel.
Oo nga,
You have to peel a lot of things.
Oh, ayan. Tapos na. So, how they start, ano naman yun? Oh, ayan. So,
Oh!
na-unbox mo na eh.
No!
No.
Well, at least we get to see this thing.
Nag-pop yung confetti.
Don't remove that.
Sabi nga, don't remove eh. Nag-remove siya mag-isa. Hirap-hirap mag-open, tapos yung dapat wag mag-open, yun ang bilis nag-open.
Oo nga eh. Silly. But
Oh, ayan na. Oh,
okay.
Diyos ko, Lord.
Hold.
Oh, tapos, ano sabi? Step 2.
Twist it says.
Paano mag-twist? Eh, hindi pa fully open. Tapos, itong taas nag-open na.
This is...
I don't understand.
Why is this so peely?
Kaya nga, tapos yung suppose na wag mag-open,
It's so
nag-open.
peely.
It's hard ah.
It's hard. Bakit kaya, yung top na hindi dapat i-open,
Ewan ko.
na.
Sabi niya, ano
Tapos
next step
yung
natin?
baba na dapat i-open.
O, you twist it daw. Ito, ganun twist. Ay! Mali!
No!
What did you do? You're supposed to twist it like this, oh.
Oh!
Ayan! Whoa! What happened? Oh no! What did we just do?
What did we just do?
What happened?
What happened?
Lumabas yung damit niya mag-isa. Suotan mo siya damit.
No, nakadamit na siya eh.
Sorry guys, balitak ako. Nagulit ako at nagkalat siya ng maraming, confetti sa room.
Mas
So,
magaling pa
ayan.
na si Cookies World.
Magaling si Cookies World si mag-unbox. Tingnan mo, ang daming mga confetti na nalaglag.
May pa. May mga shape pa ng cat, oh. Tingnan mo.
Meron din hearts, oh. Ang ganda yung heart, oh.
Ah?
Blue heart.
This is green.
Green ba? Parang teal blue eh.
Not teal green. Teal green. Yung color blue. Oh, this reminds me of
Ang daming kumalat. Oh. Nagkalat-kalat yung mga confetti. Lahat na sa bed tuloy. Anyway, dress her up, dress her up.
I don't think...
Teka, who did you get?
I don't know who she is.
Who is she?
I don't know.
Wala siya sa picture. Walang ano. Sige, open mo. What's
Yes,
next daw? Anong gagawin natin next? Nag-pop na siya. Lumabas na yung tools. Sabi niya yan, may number 6 pa eh. You have to get her out daw. Sabi niya eh, ayan no.
Oh, there's a headband
But,
with a fox. Look,
ayan, oh. Nalabas
there's
ko
a
siya.
crown with a fox in it. I don't know what's this.
Oh, ayan, nalabas na siya.
Look at this. Look at this. I don't know what's... I think it's a headband.
Suot mo. Ano
Oh
naman
yeah,
sa
it's a
loob?
headband.
I don't understand this thing. Really?
We got this girl. Look at her. She's so cute.
Sayang naman yung ano nito.
Ah, she fell down. Okay, here's the food, I think. This is the food. It's on the
So
tray.
one time lang siya magpa-pop? Hindi na siya magagamit ulit?
I don't know. I don't want
I cannot push it
kalat
in
anymore.
eh. Oh.
Wait, there's even birthday hats. Shaped with a circle hat, birthday hat, and a star
Yeah, so
birthday
one
hat.
time thing. Ayaw eh.
Oh wow. We made a lot of mess just for this.
Open mo na. Ano na? Anong naman niya? Yun lang?
Ito,
Hairband lang?
Look at this. I don't know what's... Is that
Food niya. Food niya.
This is food!
food. Show it to the camera what you got.
Yeah,
So
I
you got,
already...
what's her name?
I
You don't
don't
even
know.
know her name.
We don't know her name. But I like her skirt though.
Well guys, cute naman no?
Yeah,
Yeah, it's cute.
I put the headband on.
Yeah.
It's not going to fall. What else is...
Ang There's nothing inside. There's nothing more. I say thank you to our viewers. Thank you for joining us unbox this party Pop Teenies that we got from Landers. So it's just around magkano ba? I forgot eh. I think it's just less than 150 pesos.
Wait, how do you open this?
Kasi naka-sale.
How do you open? Oh, what's this?
Hindi ko rin alam eh. I don't really know.
I think it's the one.
Oh, you say goodbye to your viewers na. Anyway, thank you for watching. You say thank you.
Oh, thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching and joining us. Bye!
Bye.